need to do. Let's take a look at the first knockdown. It's the power punch for the southpaw, the left hand. You know, the same punch that an orthodox fighter would throw from the right side, he throws from the left. You can turn your back into it. You can put your body into it. And again, that's why I picked this fight to end early. Zamudio, no head movement, chin up in the air, stand straight, a good target. And again, there's the end of the fight. What he does there is he slips the right hand. The right hand was coming from Zamudio, watch it. He slips it, makes it miss, and makes him pay. Slips the punch, creates an opening, and Fortuna, with those quick hands, right there you can see it, he closed that opening, and he lands the left hand right on the chin. And we're going to watch it full speed now. Again, watch the defense set up the offense. Slips it, and right hand. Left hand, I should say. Slips it, straight left hand, right on the button, and I can guarantee you, that the 21-year-old Zamudio never saw that punch coming.
He was already hurt, and you hear the impact of his head on the canvas where it bounces. And maybe the corner should have stopped it prior to that and not allowed their man to go out this way. As you could see the back, the eyes rolled.
No, see, I disagree with you. He got hurt, you're right. But it's very difficult once you're in that ring. He got hurt, he was acting like a fighter, he was behaving a fighter. He wasn't hurt enough where you could say for sure you had to stop it. Where the corner, where his people did wrong, wasn't there. It was in making the fight.